Our homeowner Megan is keeping some of the design work in the family. Her mother Fran has taken on the artistic task of making them a very special outdoor dining table. Hey Fran.
Hey Kevin.
Nice to see you.
Good to see you too.
Wow, look at this. What have you got going on here?
All right, well, this is a stained glass mosaic, hopefully dining table.
Okay.
The design is a koi pond. Lots of lily pads.
Yep, I see
Lots
those.
of fish. Fish are inspired by the glass that I could find. You know, clear glass with the orange and the white. Little dragonfly.
Oh yeah, everything in a koi pond. Okay.
Yeah, we're going to add another special guy on here. We're going to put a turtle on today.
How do we get a turtle?
We're going to make a turtle over here.
Your turtle table.
This is the turtle table.
All right, so how do you start?
Well, we start with a picture that we find that thinks might work with a piece.
That's the inspiration.
That's the inspiration.
Okay.
I take a copy of this. I put it on an art board.
Yep.
That's the art board.
Oh, sticky.
Sticky contact paper upside down.
Okay.
Okay, and so that holds the pieces of glass. As I cut them, I put them on there, push them down so that they stay. So I take a little piece of laminate sheet and I just trace the head like that. I have a pattern.
That becomes your head.
That's the pattern, which we're going to cut out and use to cut the glass.
So once you have the pattern and it's clear, am I guessing correctly that you then sort of take the pattern and put it on the glass and say
we move it around.
blue
we
head,
say,
yellow head, orange head?
Orange head.
I'm partial to orange heads.
I kind of like the orange.
Well,
That works for me.
okay. So
Okay.
then what?
So then what? So then we cut this guy out.
You have to have a red-headed turtle.
Okay, so we're gonna put the shape on the glass. And you like that one?
Sure.
Right there?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna use the saw to cut it. So I have to use a silver marker so it doesn't wash away.
You can't go wrong with a redhead.
No, can't go wrong with a redhead. Okay, a little bit challenging to get that on there, but there we go. Okay.
And that's what we're going to end up cutting
That's
out?
what we're gonna cut out.
Cool.
Okay, so I'm gonna cut the turtle's head on this ring saw, which is a special saw for cutting glass. It is a wet saw. It's a little baby wet saw.
Yep, little tiny blade.
Yep. We have a turtle's head. Okay, I've snipped off the neck where it was a little bit too long, and now there's some nicks in the side of the head that I just need to grind a little bit to smooth them out. Okay.
Fine looking orange head.
Fine looking orange head. Pop that head on there.
Nice.
There he is.
Okay. Awesome. So how do we get that onto the table?
Okay, so to get this onto the table, I have to take it off the sticky.
Yep.
So I use shipping tape.
Oh, to the top. So this is going to keep all of our pieces.
This is going to keep all
in
the pieces in the way we've laid them out.
Okay, so now it's a battle to
Okay,
see which
so
is
now-
stickier.
Well, exactly. So let's see if we can get him off.
Tape or
Pick
the
him up.
contacts?
There he goes.
There it is. Look at that. Every piece is in place.
Okay, so now we get to glue it on the table.
Okay.
We have glue, brush, so we put the glue down in the outline. Make sure we try to get everywhere. Okay, and then I'll use my glue brush to even that out. Because we don't want it all too much glue to push up between the pieces of glass. Okay. And we have our little turtle guy. Okay, well, we put him in his spot. Press him down. I leave him for about an hour.
Labor intensive. Okay. So maybe another couple reptiles or lily pads
Yeah,
in
we
here.
can add a few other things.
But the bulk of it is the blue, is the water, right?
Exactly.
Oh, these aren't down yet. Can I pick one of these up?
They're not down. And this is what the sheet glass looks like.
So from there, same process,
Same process.
gluing and such.
Correct. Exactly the same.
All right.
Okay, and then the next step is going to be to grout the whole table.
Mm-hmm.
And after the grout cures, then we'll resin.
Resins.
Yep.
So pour in sort of a liquid.
It's going to be a 2-part epoxy.
Yep.
These are a couple of samples that I made just so I could, see how it was going to turn out. This was the, it's kind of neat. It's nice and smooth. That's how we end up with that.
So this is very involved. And now you're sort of in a race with Charlie. You finish this first.
It's going to be me.
Okay. Well, I love it, Fran. Thank you for showing us, and I can't wait to see it when it's at the house.
Well, thanks for coming. I appreciate it.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.